welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, and then you'll never miss any of my wig related videos. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today I'm so excited to show you this gorgeous style. This is a new style by BelleTress. This is called Nitro, and the color on this one is Mocha with Cream, which I am really pleased with. So I will tell you more about her in just a moment. Okay, let's jump in and we will start talking about Nitro. So what's not to love about Nitro? Gorgeous waves, these really cool ends that just point, directly straight down. A longer version of their Stumptown wig, I would say. And then this gorgeous color, Mocha with Cream. I am loving this color. I'm gonna pop in a picture right here and show you what Mocha with Cream looked like the last time I had it. And this was on my Caliente wig. And that one, I loved the wig because Caliente is one of my favorites, but the Mocha with Cream color it just had too much of an auburn, orangey, strawberry quality to it in this particular wig. Now I have heard that they will change the color, a bit for different styles. I don't know if that's true. That's just what I've heard in the industry. But so I don't know. This one definitely looks like a highlighted brunette, which I love. And that other color looked more like an auburny, highlighted brunette. So we will jump in and talk about her color in just a moment. But I just wanted to show you that for comparison because this Mocha with Cream, I am loving. And I had a Bellissima years ago, one of my early wigs that I think I did do a review of it. It was closer to this color, but it had more of the blonde in it. So that's what I'm saying. I've had this color 3 times and I have seen 3 variations of it. So I think it definitely is a possibility that they change it per style. So anyway, well, I will show you Nitro all the way around here. I do a 360 and then we'll start talking about all of her measurements and stuff. So here she is from the front. Very pretty. Now she has a long bang. Bang layer is very long, but, I think with some, trimming and steaming and stuff like that, you could put a bang in if that is what you were looking for. This is my left. Isn't that pretty? The back. Not super long, which I like. Not even, like it's mid upper back for sure. Am I right? And back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise on her, it says that her front and side measurements go from 8 inches to 15 and 0.5 inches. So that longest layer there in the front, you're going to start off with an 8 inch. That's what I'm saying, that, it would definitely take some trimming to get a bang in this one. The back is 16 to 16.5 inches. And then the nape is 8 inches. They give it a weight of 5.3 ounces. It's not heavy at all. It does not it feels very lightweight, so don't be discouraged. I know some people have certain weights that they like to wear. Don't be discouraged by that weight. She feels very lightweight. No permatease, very low density, really nice. Okay, so cap construction wise, she is a lace front, and I like the way the lace front looks on this one. They do have those lighter colors towards the front, which I know some don't like, but I like it on this style because I can see the darker color through it. So I just think it looks like a highlight. Not bad at all. Here's her mono part. Now with that rooting, the mono part is a little hard to see, but I think you can see some monofilament there. You could always pluck that if you wanted to open it more. Ear tabs, I've got good coverage. So really nice. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. And it goes all the way back to the crown, which I like. Lace front. All right, let's flip her inside out here. Okay, so here is that left side mono part. But their lace is a little bit thicker and has a little sheen to it on the underside of the wig, but I don't notice that on the outside. Lace front goes from the top of the ear tab to the top of the ear tab. Closed lace up here on the top. Like I said, no permatease anywhere in this wig that I can find. She has the felt covered ear tabs. Now, since this one has the dark rooting, it has the black cap. The lighter colors are going to have the lighter colored cap. A good sized piece of metal in there. Open wefted cap. She has pull adjusters. That adjuster's kind of, oh, it's stuck on a hair. Pull adjusters, felt like it was Velcroed. And then an extended felt nape. So really, really nice. Okay, let's start looking at this beautiful color, Mocha with Cream. Okay, so like I said, this one definitely looks like a highlighted brunette on this particular style, so which I really, really like. So the color code for Mocha with Cream is 2R, so it has a 2 root, a dark root, 61336. So those are the colors that are going through this particular color. So that 30 is where you're going to get a little bit of an auburn, and I think it'll show more outside. I do notice in certain light, I do see an auburn reflection for sure, an auburn blend in there, but it's not nearly as pronounced as that Caliente that I showed you guys earlier. So, okay, so color description for Mocha with Cream. This is a light caramel brown base with a medium golden blonde and dark ash blonde highlights with very dark brown roots. Now, one thing that really stood out to me the first time I tried this color was that the rooting I felt like looked black. It is a dark brown, but I love the way they did the coloring. I'm hoping that this is maybe a change they're making to this coloring, because I don't feel like that really dark brown rooting is nearly as obvious. You start going into your highlights very quickly, which I really, really like. My Bellissima, it had a noticeable, dark root, and the dark rooting went all the way around the face, which this one, you've got like a little money piece highlight right here, and then you've got the rooting right there. But again, it doesn't look nearly as dark. I used to always feel like it just looked like it was black. And now I definitely would say it looks like a dark brown, which looks really nice. Might even be a 4 root on this one. I mean, it just doesn't look as dark as a 2, but. Okay, I'll shut the lights off. So you can see the dark, we're not getting so much of a reflection there now. So you can see the rooting, but do you see how it just starts going into the lighter colors right away, which I really like. So it's just right at the part, and then we go into the light colors. So it doesn't distract from the color, and it doesn't look unnatural. I really like the way it looks. Okay, so here's the color under my patio cover. Definitely reflects that auburn outside, but that's neat. It gives it, gives it a dynamic. It's very pretty. So there's your part and your rooting, your lace front. She is in sunlight. I'm gonna step into just where I don't have that direct sunlight on me. See how pretty? I can see the auburns outside. That's what I figured. But still looks like a brunette with some warm, just some warmth going through it. Not super auburny. Styling and all that good stuff on Nitro. One thing that I'm going to recommend with this length is you're going to need your long tooth comb. You need to be able to comb through and just gently comb through these waves, and I'm finding that they are springing right back to where they need to be. Whenever I removed the zigzag part, I had to go ahead and comb all the way through her, because she was so zigzag that the waves were looking funny and everything. So the waves were maybe a tad bit tighter when she first came out of the box, but like I said, I found that I had to comb through them. Also, I want to talk about cap fit, because I am petite. Cap is fitting me nicely. Again, typical of BelleTress, there's plenty of room forehead to nape, so there's plenty of stretch in that cap. So very happy with that too, but fitting my petite head nicely, which is really nice. Okay, so she's very low density, so tuck behind the ear is super easy on her. Glasses, really easy. Glasses on the head, really easy. She's just great. No permatease, which I love. Okay, so she looks cute with a headband then. And you could pull down, you know, a piece if you wanted to, have a long bang hanging down there. Maybe pull out this one little highlight, that one little money piece there. It'd be cute. Okay. And then of course, headband can go in without being behind the ears, and that looks cute just for something, you know, extra. I did find she goes in half up, half down, you know, with this length, of course. But what I kind of liked, since I was getting this bump, was when I took pictures of her, I did her with a twist and a half up, half down, and I thought that looked really, really pretty. And then of course she has the length. I would think I would do a low pony with this wave pattern, you know, but you can definitely get her in a pony. You could do updos with her, and you could pull down some of these pieces. Like I said, that would be pretty, you know, if you wanted to do a fancy, you know, updo for something special. Sorry, updos on camera don't always work that great, but you see what you get the gist of what I'm saying. So anyway, so really, really cute, lots of styling versatility. And then of course you can just pull her, you know, back. You've got that lace front, so pull it back with little clips and things like that. I did find that she's not a face flopper, which I really liked. When I got her combed out, she just has this one layer kind of swoops right by the face, but not real bad about, you know, falling in my face. So, but her ear tuckability, of course, if you were at the office or something and you just needed to tuck this heavier side, you could just tuck her real quick, you know. So really, really nice, very easy to work with. So I'm really, really happy with her. Okay, so thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this one to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. And thank you so much for watching. And until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.